Start recording, and I'll share my screen. So here we see beads. And let's say I have a problem. Is everybody with us? Elijah, are you with us? I know it took me a minute. Yes, Andre, hi. Do you have a question?
It's not really a question, but I can only see the half of the beads. Like I can't see the whole page.
Like here, how about there?
It still can't.
I mean, you really only need to see the beads.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's say we have a problem like 8 plus a number equals 12. And so we need to find 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is this brown one. 8 plus a number is going to give us 12. And this is 12. So that's our answer. And we have to find the missing number that's going to add up to 12. Okay? So we have 8 here. And then this is 12. Oops. We have 1, 10, and 2 ones. So there's a couple ways we can figure this out. We can count up until we get to 12, or we could turn our addition problem, 8 plus a number equals 12, into a subtraction problem. All right? But first, let's count up and see how many it will take to get to 12. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many more did we add to 8 to get to 12? Tamaya?
4.
4. That's right. So that's what we call counting up. Now we could also, when we turn this into a subtraction problem, we could just take 8 away from 12 because it's the same thing. 12 minus 8 will give us what we're missing. So I'm not, oh, I thought that was gonna, what's this? Nope. There we go. All right. You guys see the board still? I'm gonna keep checking because I know sometimes it'll look like it's sharing my screen to me, but it won't to you. You won't be able to see anything. So we're good? Okay. So now let's say we've got 9. We've got 4 plus a number equals 9. 4 plus a number equals 9. So we could do our count up strategy, or we could subtract. We could take away 4 from 9. And if we do that, what do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Does everybody agree? 4 plus 5 equals 9. Yes. All right. Tamaya, I see you're with me. Zayden, why don't I see? And Daisha, I don't see your face. Did you guys turn your cameras off?
She stopped the video.
Daisha, are you still there? All right. There you are. Hey, Daisha. Okay. Cool. All right, so now let me go to our lesson page. So many different things to share. And this will look familiar to you guys. All right, it's our My Math book. Dun, 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 dun. So just what we were talking about, missing addends. Here we're using dice. So 4 plus what equals 9? Well, if we're not sure, we can count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more did I add to get to 9? Elijah, 4 plus what equals 9?
Oh, we don't need uppercase in this one, so you're looking for the lowercase b.
Do you need help? So we need to be watching the lesson so we know what we're doing, okay? So we have 4 plus a number equals 9. So we can use the strategy of counting up to get there. And so I made some dots as I was counting up to 9. How many dots do you see on the other side of this domino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cold coffee. I do not have burned my nose.
Okay, 2 plus what equals 8? Daisha, do you want to help me out? Somebody help me out. Guys, we're reviewing our addition, okay? Addition, subtraction. You guys have piece of paper and pencil there. You can do it over there to see. If you count up from 2, what's the other way? We can subtract, right? 8 minus 2 will give us our number. So everybody on your paper, let's figure out 2 plus what equals 8? Okay, Elijah's going. Tamaya's working. Daisha, I'm gonna assume you're working. All right, Elijah, what you got? Oh, I'm sorry, I thought I saw your hand. Were you ready? Yes, Andre.
What was the next number after the 2?
2 plus what number equals 8? So on your paper, you can count up from 2 until you get to 8, or you can subtract. 8 minus 2 will give you the number. Oh, it's not gonna let me draw now. So on your paper,
I know the answer.
you got the answer?
Yeah.
So 2 plus a number is going to give us 8. What is it, Tamaya?
It's 6.
Yes. So we can count up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's 6 right there. 2 plus 6 equals 8. All right, next one. 6 plus what equals 11?
Okay, 6.
So if you want to draw on your paper, you've got 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And you're trying to get to 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4,
This is
5,
11.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11.
Elijah, are you working on your paper there?
3, 4, 5.
We've got 6 plus a number equals
I
11.
know the answer.
All right, I kind of want to hear from somebody else. I'm glad you have the answer, but I want to make sure. Elijah's leaving. Daisha, you working it out?
Mm-hmm.
So remember, we can say 11 minus 6 will give us the answer, or we can count up from 6 until we get to 11. So we can go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Your equation, you're going to equal. This is going to be the same as this on the other side. I can't make the equal sign, but that's what it means. So if we're counting up, how many more to get to 11? Andre?
My guess is 6.
So we have 6, and we're going to count up to get to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many red dots do we have over here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Yes, 6 plus 5 equals 11.
Yeah, I already guessed that.
Good, Tamaya. Okay. When you have the seesaw, I think it'll be easier for you guys to maybe draw in here. I don't know why it's not letting me use the pen. Oh, here we go. So 3 plus a number equals 12. Let's all do it with me. Everybody's eyes up here. Zayden, are you watching? Okay, so we have 3. We're gonna stop when we get to 12. We're just gonna keep counting on as we make a dot. So we have 3, 4. Oh, come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many dots did I draw to get to 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Elijah?
Hold on. Use your words. You are a third grader. What do you mean?
Are you still confused about that? If you need to do it on your own paper, go ahead and do it. 3 plus what equals 12? So this lets me know we need to be practicing addition, subtraction every day, okay? Because this was stuff we knew in first grade, but if we don't practice, we lose it, okay? And Elijah, it's right here, honey. Just, can you count the dots? Are you able to see it okay?
I count them.
How many do we have?
9.
We've got 9, exactly. 3 plus 9 equals 12.
Oh, yeah, you were an apple, right?
Okay, let's do the next one. We have 4 plus what equals 8. So we're going to count on 4, 5,
What's so early to you?
6,
Yes, hold on a second.
7,
I'm just gonna put your name on it.
8.
This is yours, right?
What do we got, Andre?
Yeah, what's early to you?
4 plus what
What did you
equals 8?
I say 4.
Yes, 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, Daisha, this one's for you. 5 plus what equals 10?
That is early. 1 second.
So here we go. You ready? Okay, we're counting on, Daisha. Here we go. 5. Oh.
You only have 5 minutes, so try to get started then.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus what equals 10?
Five.
5. 5 plus 5 equals 10.
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Yeah. So you can use a related fact to help you find a missing addend. We kind of talked about this already. So think of 9 plus something equals 15 as 15 minus 9 equals 6. 6 is the missing addend. Yep. Trying to make a 6. Oh well. So find the missing addend. Draw them that many dots on the domino. So on your own, if you on your paper you have 8 dots over here.
My charger.
That's not working. You have 8 dots over here, and you're trying to get to 14 dots. So 8 plus what equals 14? I want everybody to do it on your paper. Mr. D?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand.
But tell Miss Brenda that you don't understand.
Hey, Mr. D. How's it going?
Oh, you know, it's moving. So yeah, just good times trying to keep people on track.
Yep. But you see what we're doing here with the follow-up work will be like this.
Okay, when will the follow-up work be posted?
I was gonna try to do it but I don't think I'm gonna have time in between. So I'll get it up there as soon as I can. But It may be the afternoon or like after all the morning lessons are done.
Okay.
We'll see.
I'll be right back.
Miss Brenda?
Yes. Is that Andre?
So my phone.
Yeah.
It's gonna look like this.
You got the answer, Andre? 8 plus what equals 14?
I don't understand.
So we have an addition sentence, and we're trying to find out, we know the total. We know the whole is 14. We have some of it. We have 8. So we have to get to 14. So you're drawing on your paper. You have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many more did we add to get to 14?
It looks like 6.
It is 6.
So
That's all we're doing.
So
Oh,
okay,
so
I
you-
understand. So I just made a huge box to have enough space. So it had enough space.
Whatever you need to do to figure it out.
Okay.
So 14 minus 8. So we talked about how it's an addition and subtraction sentence. This is like fact families. So 8 plus a number equals 14 is the same as 14 minus 8 equals 6. So on number 2 here, we have 5 plus a number equals 11. Well, we can think of it as 11 minus 5. So if you want to look at that, let's get 11 out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're subtracting 5. So we're just going to take away 5. So I'm going to put 5 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many do I have? How many do I have?
You have one. Oh,
Elijah?
6.
Yes, we have 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6. Oops. Can you guys try this one? So what plus 4 equals 8? You can count up, or you can take 4 away from 8. It's the same thing. A number plus 4 equals 8 is the same as 8 minus 4. Tamaya's all ready. All right, Tamaya, give us 1 minute. You want to work on the next one? I'll have you do number 4 for us, okay?
So when you get here in the morning, is she still not in there?
No.
Here, Emma, I need you to figure it out. So back in your seat. When you're up,
All right, Mr. D, I will try to end this a little bit early so I can get their follow-up work. I'm just going to have it be this one lesson of the missing addend. Okay? And I'm going to talk, I have a meeting with the other leads. I would really like to just like be able to record like, you know, a little My Math lesson for them every day and have work for them. You know, especially like, you know, like stuff like this. So we'll figure it out, okay? Still in the process of trying to, because they need to have like this kind of.
Yeah. No, you're good. You're good.
Yeah.
So, okay, cool.
This will be blank. I'll actually give them this exact. I mean, I'll give them the exact this, and I'll just have it blank, and they can fill it out.
Okay.
And
I'm wondering, do we have any of these My Math books here at school that I can make copies of?
no, I think we only had one copy per teacher, and
Okay.
and I know everybody took theirs home, and we no longer have our online account. Ugh.
Gotcha.
Is
Cool.
the Seesaw, does that, I mean, I know it's not ideal, but they can at least like write on it there easy, because I was going to put it up in Seesaw.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, put it up on Seesaw. That works out pretty well. So we can talk about this later.
Okay, yeah, I know. Okay.
Okay, cool. All right.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Andre, what'd you get for number 3?
I got 3.
All right, well, let's see. If we put 3 here.
I got 3.
Okay. So count up these dots, all of the dots now that are
All of
shown
the
up on this
dots?
domino. Count up the ones I drew and the ones that are already there. And how many do we have?
Okay. I'll say out loud. Well, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Do we have 8?
No.
No.
Maybe try, this is just a expression. Maybe put one more. Can
One
you see
more.
my
Let's see.
mouse?
Okay.
Can you see my mouse moving?
Oh, I can't see yours, bud. I'm sorry.
Oh, but mine's moving.
Okay. So now we have 4 dots. Do we have 8 total now?
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so 4 plus 4 equals 8.
So 8 minus 4 equals 4.
What?
8 minus 4 equals 4. So remember, we can turn it around to be a subtraction problem.
Yeah, because 4 plus 4 is 8.
That's right. Tamaya, did you do number 4 while we were waiting over?
No.
No. So we're running out of time. Let's do it together. We have 7, and we have to add how much to get to 15? Or 15 minus 7 equals what? So let's count up from 7. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
What is it, Tamaya?
We actually have 8.
We got 8.
15.
7 plus 8 equals 15. So that also means that 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay?
Sit down.
So fact families, we've been kind of doing like fact families.
We'll figure that out, but you keep walking.
I know this.
Yeah,
So it goes minus this plus this.
no.
Minus then plus. But equals. Then you put a different number right here. 3,
So this is a fact triangle, and these are our three numbers, and we can write four different equations using all of these numbers with our. So we can make 3 plus 6 equals 9. We can make 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now, when we subtract, we always have to subtract from our biggest number. So we put 9 minus, and we can pick any one of those numbers. 9 minus 6 will equal 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So those are all of our equations for this fact triangle. You guys remember
okay.
fact families? We did them a little bit last year.
Yeah, I remember them.
Huh.
Miss Brenda,
Yes.
at my old house, I'm
Honey,
moving.
we've actually got to end, so I'm so sorry we don't have time for stories. Because I need to like convert this and try to get this up for you guys. So I'm so sorry.